Hi, my name is Brian Andrews. I'm going to take you for a ride in the new 2019 Chevy Traverse. They just redesigned it last year. It's an amazing vehicle. The Traverse definitely got bigger, and it's 11 inches longer and 4 inches wider. With that longer and wider wheelbase, it gives it a much smoother ride and extends the cargo too. I had numerous people come in for Tahoes, and they love the Tahoes. They love all the amenities of the Tahoes, but maybe they're not towing something, or maybe they don't need that big V8 engine and they can go with the 3.6, but they still need the cargo room. The Traverse gives them everything pretty much that the Tahoe will give them, but is a lot lower price point. One of the coolest things when they redesign the vehicle is the camera system. So there's 6 exterior cameras, and with those cameras, they all generate a 360-degree view from above looking down on your vehicle. Even if you're the worst parallel parker, with that camera system, you're gonna be the best parker, so to speak, in the world. But say you have that, you do have that big cargo, or say you have that buddy that has a big head and you can't see out the back. If you flip the rear view mirror switch, it turns your rear view mirror into a monitor. So one of those cameras on the outside is now your rear view mirror. With the cargo space that they have in the rear, when they put all the seats down, it's pretty much like a standard size or a long bed truck. So a long bed truck is an 8-foot bed. You could put 2 8-foot sheets of plywood in the back and open and close. I was lucky enough to go down to Dallas, Texas and train on this vehicle. They had a course set up and they said, all right, now we're gonna show you how the forward automatic braking works. And they had this little blow up of a box truck set up that he says, all right, well now when you get to 40 miles an hour, take your hands off the wheel, take your feet off the pedals and trust the car. I literally had to cross my arms because out of instinct I want to grab the wheel. And I did. At 40 miles an hour, I took my hands off the wheel, took my feet off the pedals, and it stopped on a dime. I was amazed. I've had 3 different sets of customers come in for Tahoes and left in Traverses and saved $20,000 in the process. This vehicle is going to give you those safety features that's going to give you the feel of a family vehicle and not the drive of a truck.
Butler is the Chevy powerhouse.